So I just got back from a walk this morning and I'm having half a watermelon for breakfast, and I'm just finishing with my morning tea, which I'm going to bring to work with me. And the next up, I have my herbs. This is day 5 taking Dr. Morse's herbs. I'm currently taking the endocrine balance, which is for the all of the different glands in the body, the hormone system. I have healthy pituitary, and I have the pancreas tonic, which is kind of my precursor to taking some stomach and bowel herbs, which I will do for the next 6 weeks following this program. And I have liver and gallbladder tonic capsules. So I'm taking all of these twice a day, basically until the bottles are gone. Here's the lunch that I'm taking to work. I have a whole papaya that I will eat midday. On my way to teach, I ate one apple, and I'm gonna have this other one immediately after finishing.